Student name Lisette Adriana Mendez. Case Airbnb. Day 28 February 2022. Problem definition. Change of brand on the company Airbnb. In addition to the cancellation that were suffers as result of the third party houses. The number of Airbnb listings, doors, the quantity of rooms in even large hotel chains. The business owns nor controls any of the inventory, nor the behavior already of the people offering it. Consequence: the product rests on the way the brain generates choices, in the way which the hotel chains use both in numbers and the staff on the people who collaborate with Airbnb. Thank you.